Good morning and welcome back to Storybook Harbor Tours. This is an early morning ride back to the marina. Thought I'd take you along for the ride as we make our way up the Pawcatuck River and put the boat in its dock. Early morning sunrise this morning, and thought I'd take you along for the final leg of the voyage. I get the boat up on speed here, up on plane, and take her into the marina. She's got twin 5.7 liter Cruiser engines, 350s V8s, so moves the 16,000 pounds pretty quickly out of the hole and up to speed. Doing about 29 miles an hour, 3,200 RPM on the engines, and making our way back to the marina. Thought I'd take you along for an early morning ride. Narrow channel, so usually I'll slow it down if I'm passing another boater, especially if they're not on plane. If they're on plane and I'm on plane, it's okay, but early morning, no sense in spilling the coffee. See, some of the fishermen are heading out. It's around 6:15 in the morning on a nice July Sunday morning. We've had some great weather the last few days here. Yesterday was about 85 degrees. This morning it's cool. It's probably high 60s, low 70s, but it's going to burn off and get up to about 85 degrees again today. So nice clear skies. Heading back out, do a touch and go. Heading back to the marina, take a shower, run to the store and get a few supplies, get some more seltzer water, and then picking up some friends and taking them back out, maybe go over to Fisher's Island a little bit later. Relatively calm, a little bit of wind, a little bit of current. Tide is almost fully high. Still get a little bit of current, so as we make our way into the fairway, we'll get down nice and slow, and then we'll put the engines in port forward and starboard reverse and pivot it and back it right into the slip. Hopefully nice and easy and uneventful. Walk back for a minute, check my stern line, make sure it's ready to be for me to grab it. Stern line's ready, so we're ready for a docking. Had a beautiful early morning sunrise. The cruise got up around 5 o'clock, and I think sunrise was at 5:20, but the sun was rising right over Little Narragansett Bay and over Watch Hill. It was I got underway just as it was poking its head up above the tree line. So nice early morning sunrise cruise. Start to slow it down and make our turn into the fairway. 4.6 miles an hour. Usually I head into the fairway around 3 miles an hour, so I like to go in nice and easy. Now as you're making your way to this point, you're listening for any horns. You're trying to get a glimpse down the fairway, make sure nobody's pulling out. Especially with a narrow fairway. So I'll go up a little bit further and take another quick glance. Looking down the dock, it looks like there are a couple of boats getting ready to go out on the other finger pier, but mine looks clear. So we look good as we're heading into the fairway. Down to 3.3 miles an hour. As we make our way down the fairway, I'll start to pull it back a little bit more, try to get it down to 2 miles an hour or so. So we take starboard out of gear, and we'll just go down on port engine for now. Slowing down a little bit. Down to 3 miles an hour. Nice and easy. Looks like the wind died down. We'll get pretty close to that wall, and then we'll start to make our pivot down to 2.8 miles an hour. I've got a port side tie-up, so I've got my port stern line out. Down to 2.8, and we'll start to starboard reverse and start to make our pivot. Try to time it just right so that I'm not making the pivot too early. Both engines in neutral. Starboard reverse to slow the spin. Might overshot it a little bit, but we'll get close. Port forward, starboard reverse, spin it a little bit more. Both in neutral. Nice slow motions, pretty quiet. Port forward, starboard reverse, starboard reverse. Get it close to the pier, and then we'll spin it one more time, and I'll walk off and starboard forward, port reverse. Nope, reversed it. There we are. And both in neutral. See how close we are to the finger. 3 inches off. Grab my stern line and pull her right over. Nice and easy. Walk her back, get my spring line on, and then I can tie off the stern and grab my bow line and tie off the bow. Spring line is on, so the boat can't go all the way back and hit the dock with the swim platform. And as it gets to the end of the spring line, we'll tie off our stern. Always good to remember, as you tie the stern, as soon as there's resistance on it, your bow is going to kick out. So come grab the bow, pull off my bow line, and then tie it off. And then we'll be ready to shut the engines down and call it a successful docking. All tied up. Spring line is on, stern line is on, bow line is on. This is another edition of Storybook Harbor Tours. Thanks for coming along on the journey, and hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message, and leave a comment. We'll get right back to you. Looking forward to hearing how you would dock it. Hey, hopefully next time we'll see you on the water.